Tasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the exciting, enchanting letter E. Let's say it together. E. E. Meet Ellie the elephant. She's eager to explore and loves everything extraordinary. She lives near the edge of the Enchanted woods. One early morning, Ellie had an exciting idea. I'm going to explore the Enchanted woods and find the glowing emerald egg. She packed her explorer map and marched off with a trumpet sound.
Hold, Kudzmatsubo. On her enchanted journey, what did Ellie spy? An eagle soaring swiftly, way up in the sky. An emerald egg that sparkled in a nest so bright, and an elf on violin playing through the night.
Finally, Ellie reached the glowing emerald egg. It shimmered with magic and sang a soft tune. E is for elephant, explore, and enchant. What an enchanting exploration! Ellie the elephant showed us how exciting the letter E can be. Can you think of more E words? Let's keep exploring.